So let's have a look at the controls. Here we have the first knob, and this is the first heat setting. And then when we have a line under the 1 or I, that is the oscillation. So this does oscillate 60 degrees. I'll go ahead and demo that in a second. And this is 2. So that's this next heat mode. That's the highest heat. And then with the underline of that, that's the oscillation as well. Okay, so let's turn on the first heat mode here. You can see how the disc will start to look a little orangish, reddish. And what's really nice about space heater is it heats up instantly.